National Secretariat of Communist Party of India CPI has issued a scathing press statement condemning Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh for his government's failure to address the ongoing crisis in the state. The CPI has demanded Chief Minister's resignation, asserting that his recent apology, offered after a prolonged period of unrest, serves as an admission of his administration's inability to tackle the situation effectively. The CPI accused state government of failing to take meaningful steps towards fostering reconciliation between communities affected by violence. It also criticized the government for excluding political parties from discussions aimed at finding a comprehensive political solution to the crisis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also targeted in the statement, with the CPI denouncing his continued refusal to visit Manipur. According to the party, this demonstrates a lack of concern for the people of the state and has further exacerbated the situation by eroding public trust. The CPI reaffirmed its solidarity with the people of Manipur and emphasized the need for a united effort to achieve justice, peace, and reconciliation. The CPI called for a fresh people-centric approach to governance, insisting that Chief Minister Biren Singh's resignation is imperative to pave the way for restoring confidence in the administration.